This is part 3 of a multi-part training series that shows various ways to create animation without using a single keyframe. In the last 2 videos, I showed you, without using a single keyframe, how to create 3 types of animation, in, out, and loop, using motion presets, and how to create multiple animation all at one time using batch animations. See link below for details. In this video, I'll show you how to create an animation using a transition. Typically, a transition is used to transition from one image or video to another. However, many users are not aware that a transition can be used to create an animation without using a single keyframe. What if you wanted to scale and position an object without setting a single scale and position keyframe to create the animation? Let us look at a simple example. Import a static or dynamic background of your choosing. Extend it to about 20 seconds and name the layer background. Select the background layer and press the Command or Control key and D to duplicate it. Click on the bottom layer to select it. Right-click and select Rename, and type Copy after the word background. Right-click again and select Hide to turn it off temporarily. You will see the reason why it was hidden in the next few steps. Drag and drop an object to the stage and position it where you want it to appear at the end of the animation. Resize and reposition it if necessary, and then extend its timeline duration, and then move it to align with the right edge of the background layer. Reduce the background layer to create a 2-second overlap with the object layer to create a transition between the 2 layers in the next step. Hover the mouse between the 2 layers until you see a green line, and then click it. Type Swap in the search field, and then select the swap transition. Press the 1 key to place the playback head at the start of the timeline if necessary. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to play the animation. Press the spacebar key again to stop the animation. Notice that the background is being swapped by the object with the current canvas color, in this case black, as its default background. Moreover, notice that both the object scale and position were animated without using a single keyframe. However, we just want the object to appear without the background disappearing. Let's see how that process can be done. Right-click on the background copy layer and select Show. Press the 1 key to place the playback head at the start of the timeline. Press the 0 or spacebar key to play the animation. Press the spacebar key again to stop the animation. However, we still have the problem with the original background layer animating off the scene. This problem will be fixed in the next step. Select the original background layer again, and in the Properties panel, change the scale to 0. Press the 1 key to place the playback head at the start of the timeline. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to play the animation, and let the magic begin. Press the spacebar key again to stop the animation. Notice this time the object animates as expected.
Hello, Earthlings. I come in peace, if you give me all of your money. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. Go ahead and experiment with the various types of transition to see what interesting animation you can create with the cube, drop down, and a few other transitions. In the next video, Cornelius, the Earthling, will show you how to use Lottie files to create animations without using a single keyframe. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Houston, we have a problem.